Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log in to your T-Mobile home internet account. Easy guide step by step clearly. First, make sure your phone or computer is connected to the internet. Open your preferred web browser like Chrome, Safari, Edge, or Firefox. Click the address bar at the top of the browser window. Type www.tmobile.com and press enter on your keyboard. On the T-Mobile homepage, look for the Sign In button at the top right. Click Sign In to open the login page. If you see multiple sign-in options, choose the one for T-Mobile ID. In the email or phone number field, enter the email or mobile number linked to your T-Mobile account. In the password field, type your T-Mobile ID password carefully. Check that caps lock is off to avoid typing the wrong password. Click the Sign In button to continue. If you are asked for a verification code, choose to receive it by text or email. Open the text message or email and find the one-time verification code. Return to the sign-in page and enter the verification code exactly as shown. Click Verify or continue to complete the security step. After logging in, locate the Account or My Account section on the page. Click Account to view your T-Mobile services and settings. Find the home internet line or plan listed under your products or services. Click the Home Internet item to open your home internet account details. If the site redirects you to the T-Mobile app, install the T-Life or T-Mobile app from your app store if needed. Open the app and tap Sign In. Enter the same T-Mobile ID email or phone number and your password. Approve any security prompt or enter a verification code if requested. Once signed in, tap Account to access your plan and billing information. Tap Billing to view your current balance, due date, and payment history. Tap Payments to make a payment and confirm the payment method before submitting. If you forgot your password, select Forgot Password on the sign-in page and follow the reset steps. If you still cannot log in, contact T-Mobile support through the Help or Contact option for account assistance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.